Thank you so much. All right, so before I train, I want to share with you, just get your butt to Vegas. In Vegas, at our last event, I met Sal Jumawan. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And Sal is now a diamond. And at the time, he was working in a warehouse all day. His wife had a stroke during the pandemic, and Sal started crying on our Live Good Stories because she had to work 2 jobs after that stroke. And it broke his heart. And he came up to me at that event. We were getting to know each other. And a week later, he put his resignation into the warehouse. He said, I wasn't going to do that until I went diamond. I promised my wife I would, replace the income and then some. But he said this line. He said, Live Good is the business for the masses and hope for the people. Live Good is the business for the masses and the hope for the people. And when we asked him, how did you do it?